Do you know what the feeling of situation when try to grow with count and can see make profits with compound interest? Well, if so, trust this video to help you give you the real results. So stay tuned and watch the video until the end, guys. Today I'm going to review a professional strategy that will help you get started from scratch. So let's start with the settings. Let's move on the time frame first, okay, and let's see on that. So we're gonna start with 15 seconds right Nash candle. Alright, so let's go to indicators, OSMA and Vortex. We're gonna use this both pairs. Let's configure that 20 on Vortex. The color is up to you if you want to use this one. Okay. Let's go to OSMA 12, 26, 9 is almost for the MACD. I'm going to start with 51, 1 minute on expiration time, and let's make our first operation with 25. So let's start with the trend, guys. Here we have a very good opportunity for a buy trade. When we enter the buy, the opportunity here is that specific level. The first thing we need to look intersection, the vortex indicator. And the trend, that's obvious. In this case, we buy when the green line is above the red line. When you get a crossing line, that's the opportunity. Not only that, but it should be those OSMA as well, just like stairs, a break before you can breathe and place an order. Another thing you need to do, consider that, okay? So pay attention to this, guys. In this specific case, please not place trade without proper confirmation from both indicators. You should put the strong candle before that. Before placing a trade, you should always consider Vortex OSMA. Yes, you can see that right now. Let's wait and see how the first position ends. We got less than 10 seconds right now, and would like to join the group where share signal strategy really work, and the best of all, without paying anything, the pay attention. All right. In my favorite group, I share various strategy and idea and live trade that's 100% real and transparent. I never ask for money, and you have to explain anything to join this. Okay. So let's go with this, guys. We got our first one, so let's perform the second right now. It's again, that's beautiful. Look at that, the vortex. That's good. Okay. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Alright, look at that crossing line right here, guys. That's so good. It's essential to know that it's just one strategy that can change your path in this market. To become a professional, you need to master the best and the most profitable strategy, guys. Don't worry, I have more position that can help you grow. So stay tuned and watch the video until the end. Alright, let's move to that. 25 seconds remaining. You can see here we have a very strong line at specific level, guys. Look at this, it's impressive. Not only this, you can also see the vortex. Okay, that's good, very good. And also, as I said, we have stairs on this. Just imagine like stairs, okay, and that is good. And look at this, we got another one, $60 of profit right now. Just make another one with 55. Let's see what's gonna happen with this one. As you can see, we got a good downtrend across the line of the mat on the OSMA and with the vortex. All right, stairs from the OSMA and crossing line on the vortex. That's very good. Look at that, guys. That's good downtrend. Okay, the red line, it's above the green line on the vortex. It's a good opportunity. Pay attention to that, and also the OSMA indicator. You can see here they have very strong candlesticks at a specific level. They have good implications for this position, and that's the point, right? Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. And look at what we have right now. There are 7 seconds left for this. Let's wait and see how this trade ends this. Oh yeah, baby. That's another win. And look at that, $102 of profits, $153 in the total, guys. That is so good. Okay, that's very, very good. Guys, as you can see right now, the candles below the line, the interest points. Okay, it's very good profits. The trade is executed perfect today. And it went on this trade right here, right now, and we're making money in the market using this particular strategy. When the devices try this particular strategy, guys, on a demo account first and then your real accounts. 90% pro ratings. Make it 10 trades, you're gonna win 9. Alright? If you're here to subscribe to the channel, guys, please do so. Please like the button again. Subscribe to the channel. Have a good one, and thank you so much for watching this one. I want to see you everyone in the next one. Bye bye. See you.